How do you feel when you have a losing streak, knowing that the only income is trading?
If lose, I close the PC and I take a coffee, relax. After that, and I search again for revenge the market, revenge my loss.
Isn't it a little bit dangerous? Hello everyone and welcome back to another TFT interview. Today we have a follow-up with one of our consistent traders from Malaysia, Tengku. Welcome, Tengku.
Welcome.
So for everybody who has not watched the previous interview, can you please tell us a little bit about yourself and what got you into trading?
Yeah, I'm Tengku Kamarul Nizen from Malaysia. I'm 41 years old. I've been in trading more than 50 years. I trade with platform starting for last year.
Okay,
and
amazing.
I'm a funded trader only.
It's so 15 years of trading experience. That's a long time. So can you tell us a little bit about your learning curve? How did you start? How did you get to know about trading? Was it a friend who told you about it or you found somewhere? Because it was 15 years ago. So
I see for 2007, I see for extra income in internet, and I see the trading forex, and I search, I learn. I see the trading forex can get me the extra income, and I try. For the first, I learning myself only on internet only, no teacher.
Wow, so you learned everything by yourself, no help from anyone.
No. After in 2010, I have 2-3 teacher for learning, but not formal lah.
And how long time did it take you to become profitable and to find the strategy that suits you?
After 4 and 5 years, I think.
And how did you find the strategy that you're using at the moment? Did you mix different strategies, or you found a strategy on internet and you decided to stick to it?
I mix strategy. I see the market. I learning the pattern market and
chart patterns.
Chart pattern, and based experience, I can familiar lah for the graph.
Yeah. And what did you struggle with the most? What was the hardest part for you in your journey?
I don't idea.
Was it the psychology? Was it to find a strategy that suits you? What was the hardest part?
I feeling cannot say lah. I very long time in industry. I struggle. I think no feel lah.
To get rid of the fear.
Yeah.
And what did you do to overcome the fear? Did you read books? Did you listen to podcasts? What did you do for overcoming the fear?
I meeting my friend, ask my friend, get a community, and I learning myself.
So with time, you got rid of it.
Yeah.
And what was the main fear that you had? Was it fear of missing out? Was it fear of losing? Which fear was the strongest?
For yearly, I fear, but after long time I trading, I not feel a fear. I think if lost, I can search again for profit.
Yeah. Well, now with 15 years of experience, I believe everything is super simple for you. That's a long time. How did you find TFT, and how is your experience with us?
For last year, many promotion for prop firm, and I searching, I learning. I see the funded trader is best prop firm if I want to use. And after I try, okay, it is very the best. And now I withdraw for 6 times. Next time for next withdraw 7 times. Now 29 March for net withdraw.
Wow, that's amazing. 7 withdrawals.
7 withdrawals.
Good job. This is just showing that you're very consistent. So can you show us a little bit from your strategy? Can you show us how you analyze the chart?
I just see the candlestick pattern. I use my 21 and 240, and
so how did you choose to use 21 and 240 exponential moving average? How did you choose them?
21 to my teacher, and I learning for my teacher Kama Kasiman. 2012, I learning my teacher the Emma, and 240 Emma for 240 Emma I create myself.
Okay, interesting. Can you show us with the camera a little bit how you analyze the charts?
Oh, you now I not my home. I'm outside my home in the strategy in my PC and my home.
Okay.
I just see the candle. Okay, I show you the example.
Yeah.
For example, for the red line, this MR21. Okay.
Yes.
A candlestick go up. If candlestick open up to MR21, I take a buy for 40 pip or TP. Now you see after red line candlestick up.
Yeah.
Okay. After 60 or 40, you see. See for okay. If you see the H4, this before this I show you the H1. This you see the H4.
Yeah.
Red line candlestick open up the red line.
Yeah.
Then you strong to up go up market.
Yeah. So you wait for price to close above the moving average in order to take a buy.
Yeah.
And which time frame do you use to enter? Do you execute on 1 hour chart or you go lower?
For 1 hour, I see the chart 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. This only.
Okay, so you only analyze daily and 4 hour chart.
Yeah.
Okay. And do you also use the RSI divergence? I saw that you had RSI RSI indicator on your chart. Do you use it for something?
I think so. I see the pattern, candlestick pattern only.
Okay, so you don't use the RSI?
No.
Okay. And you said that you are not using a stop loss. You told me before.
Yeah.
So can you tell us how do you know when to close the trade? Don't you become like emotional when you see that you're in a drawdown?
If you after if I wrong decision, I just hedging. If I my emotional not control, I hedging. I not see for 3-4 hours the chart.
Okay. Then you must be opening very small positions, isn't it? How much do you risk per trade?
400 trader. I use account 100,000. I open around 50 cent. 50 cent only post.
So you 5% or 0.5%?
0.15.
Okay, 0.15. Okay, now I understand.
Yeah.
So you take very low risk, and that's why you don't use the stop loss. You just wait for the price to come back.
Yeah, but if candlestick go up, market go up or go down, I can layer for 2 and 3 layer first. If after 2 or 3 layer no not profit, after that I hedging.
Okay. Interesting. And do you are you a swing trader or a day trader?
Day trader.
Day trader. And do you have any target, like how many positions?
See the situation lah. But many for day trader lah.
And do you pay attention to fundamentals like news? Do you trade news?
I trade after news. I see the result news first. After 5 minutes, 5 to 30 minutes, I can trade. I see the result for the news first.
And do you combine it with your technical analysis, or you have a special strategy for news?
News, my strategy, if news, all strategy can use for news. After that, I see the result news. I combine the strategy.
And do you have any target? Like how many positions do you take per day? Do you have any weekly target, daily target?
No have target. I see the market at first.
And did you have to change your strategy during the years, because you have traded for 15 years and we've been through many black swan events? Did you have to like adjust your strategy because of the market conditions? Because for example, the volatility before COVID was much lower than after COVID. So did you notice any change? Did you have to do like adjustments on your strategy?
Strategy same lah, but I a small lot lah after COVID. That's about market very crazy after COVID.
So you use the same strategy but lower risk.
Yeah.
Interesting. And do you have any daily routine? How is your psychology towards trading? Do you have any daily routine? Do you do something to remain focused?
Daily routine lah. For the morning, I see the market first before I start the trade. I see the market first. I see the news. If okay, I open position. If not, I waiting for London open.
And which is your favorite session? Do you have a favorite session when you trade?
My favorite London and US Open.
London and US Open. And what about pairs? I saw that you showed us gold. Do you trade only gold or you have other pairs?
No,
that you trade?
In prop form, I trade GBP USD, Euro USD, and Euro JPY. This only for the prop firm.
Okay. So you don't trade gold on the prop firm?
No.
Okay, interesting. And how did you choose these pairs? Why did you choose them?
Because for the start, my trading, I only use the 3 pair.
Okay.
GU, GJ, and EU. This only.
Okay, so you learned the moves and you're sticking to them.
Yeah.
And what is your plan for the future with trading? What are your goals?
My plans. I don't know how to tell you. After 50 years, my plan now. I am 50 years. Maybe I trade same time. Same.
The same. And how do you feel? You said that you have been a full-time trader for 5 years. How do you feel? Do you have any other sources of income, or you only have trading as a source of income?
Only trading.
Only trading. How do you feel when you have a losing streak, for example? How do you feel when you lose like a couple of positions, knowing that the only income is trading?
If lose,
like more losses in a row.
I close the PC and I take a coffee, relax. I after that, and I search again for revenge the market. Prevent my loss.
Okay, isn't it a little bit dangerous? Okay, and do you think that you would like to have another source of income, or you feel totally comfortable with trading?
Now, totally comfortable with trading only lah. After that, for the future, maybe I don't know to tell you lah. For now, maybe for trading only lah. And I search, maybe I open a more big amount in prop firm lah for skill.
And are you planning to take like more challenges? Because you mentioned that you have the 100,000 challenge. You said that you have only one account with 100,000. Are you planning on scaling up and taking more challenges?
Yeah. I planning take for big account one maybe 200.
That would be great. And what advice would you give to new traders that are just getting started?
For my advice, before you start the trade, learning first and search a new broker, new prop firm. If you want to use the prop firm, I advise the funded trader, the best prop firm for use.
Thank you for the nice words. And would you like to share any last words with us?
Last word, if you use the prop firm, funded trader in the best. My last word.
Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, and I wish you good luck with the next challenges.
Thank you.
Thanks. That's all from today's interview. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and trade safe. Until next time.